The iPhone SE series has solidified its standing in the smartphone market, gaining immense popularity since its inception. Its success can be attributed to a compelling combination of affordability and performance. The most recent addition to this lineup, released in 2022, maintains its status as a fantastic phone, but eager Apple fans are yearning for a redesign. Hi phone lovers, welcome back to Grounded Tech. Let's check the jaw-dropping features of iPhone SE 4. Features and design of SE 4. Reports from reliable sources such as McRumors and Unknowns 21 suggest that the much-anticipated iPhone SE 4 will undergo a significant transformation, closely mirroring the design of the iPhone 14. One notable adjustment is the shift from the traditional LCD display to an OLED display, aligning the SE series with the cutting-edge technology featured in flagship models. The potential replacement of the Touch ID home button with a notch introduces a more modern aesthetic, though uncertainties linger regarding the inclusion of the TrueDepth camera system and Face ID due to potential cost considerations. Adding an unexpected twist to the mix, the iPhone SE 4 may introduce an action button, potentially taking the place of the side-mounted mute switch. While this feature seems reminiscent of the iPhone 15 Pro, its potential inclusion in the budget-friendly SE 4 model underscores Apple's commitment to innovation across its product range. The rumored adoption of a USB-C port further solidifies the SE 4's alignment with connectivity standards embraced by flagship devices, ensuring a seamless user experience. Processor. At the core of the iPhone's performance lies its processing power. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to continue this trend. Speculations lean towards the inclusion of the 15 Bionic chip, a powerful processor that has proven its mettle in previous models. However, the tantalizing possibility of the SE 4 boasting the 16 Bionic chip adds an extra layer of excitement, hinting at a performance boost that could potentially rival some flagship counterparts. Camera improvements. Camera capabilities have long been a focal point of Apple's devices, and the iPhone SE 4 is poised to uphold this tradition. While there are rumors suggesting the adoption of a single lens or even the integration of the 48-megapixels primary lens from the iPhone 15, Apple's exploration of various camera designs adds an element of unpredictability. This uncertainty leaves room for excitement and speculation about potential camera enhancements that could elevate the SE 4's photography and videography capabilities. Battery and technology. The redesigned dimensions of the iPhone SE 4 open up intriguing possibilities, including the potential for a larger battery. While concrete details remain elusive, the prospect of an enhanced battery capacity is a welcome one for users seeking extended battery life. This could address a common concern among smartphone users and enhance the overall usability of the device. One of the most significant upgrades anticipated in the iPhone SE 4 is its integration of 5G technology. Reports indicate that Apple has tested an internal 5G baseband chip in the prototype, highlighting the company's commitment to staying at the forefront of mobile connectivity. The promise of an improved 5G chip that supports more bands than its predecessor positions the SE 4 as a compelling option for users looking to leverage the full potential of 5G networks. There's even speculation about the iPhone SE 4 being the first device to incorporate Apple's proprietary modem chip, signaling a potential shift in Apple's approach to wireless technology. Release date. The development timeline of the iPhone SE 4 has been a subject of uncertainty, with conflicting statements from Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. From initially claiming the project had been shelved to suggesting it had been given another chance and later stating that there are no plans for mass production and sales, the status of the SE 4 remains enigmatic. Unlike flagship iPhones that adhere to an annual release schedule, the SE series has shown a pattern of release every 2 years, with models launching in 2016, 2017, 2020, and 2022. Considering this, a potential release in the spring of 2024 seems plausible, though analyst Jeff Pu introduces an alternate perspective by asserting a debut in 2025. Price. As Apple gradually raises the prices of its products, the pricing strategy for the iPhone SE4 remains a point of interest. Historical data indicates a consistent increase in the cost of the iPhone SE series over the years. However, recent trends, such as the iPhone 15 being less expensive than the iPhone 14 in the UK, spark hope for price stability or even a slight reduction. This aspect remains a focal point of interest for potential buyers, especially considering the iPhone SE series positioning as a budget-friendly option within the Apple ecosystem. In conclusion, the iPhone SE4 holds the promise of being a game-changer in the budget-friendly smartphone market. The blend of anticipated design changes, technological enhancements, and the potential for a competitive price point positions the SE4 as an eagerly awaited addition to Apple's lineup. As the speculations continue to circulate, enthusiasts and tech observers can only anticipate the unveiling of the iPhone SE4 with heightened excitement. Stay tuned for further updates and developments by liking, sharing, and subscribing to receive the latest information on the iPhone SE4 and other flagship phones. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with Grounded Tech.